What if I told you that you could build a business that generates passive income just by listing businesses online? And if you do it right, you could be earning millions annually, just like some of the big players in the game. Stick around to find out how you can turn a simple business directory into a money-making machine. Alright, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Bo, and I'm all about testing and reviewing make money online methods. Today, we're diving into a business model that's been generating billions worldwide: business directories. If you've ever used Yelp, Angie's List, or TripAdvisor, you've already experienced this model firsthand. But what if you could create your own directory, attract businesses to it, list on it, and turn it into a thriving business? Sounds exciting, right? Let's break it down. So first things first, what is a business directory? Simply put, it's an online platform where businesses in a specific industry or location are listed. Customers use these directories to find businesses they're looking for. The coolest part? As the directory owner, you can make money by charging businesses to be listed, offering premium services, or even running ads on your own platform. Think of it like an online Yellow Pages, but more specialized and more interactive. These directories can range from something as broad as Yelp, listing all types of businesses, to very niche directories, like one that lists only vegan-friendly restaurants, or a directory for independent fitness trainers in a specific city. So, how much can you expect to earn? Like most business models, the potential varies based on several factors, such as niche, audience size, and how well you market your platform. Here's the thing, directories are scalable. They can start small and grow over time. A small directory can make anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000 per month once it's established, especially if you focus on local businesses and build a loyal user base. Annually, depending on traffic and premium features, directories can generate $60,000 to $600,000 or more. Okay, so now that we know the potential, let's look at some real-world examples of successful business directories. These companies are making serious money, and you can take inspiration from them. First up, Yelp, the leader in business directories. Yelp is a go-to resource for finding everything from restaurants to plumbers. In 2023, Yelp made $1.34 billion through advertising and paid listings. Second, Angie's List. Focused on home service providers, Angie's List has expanded to become a full-service directory. It was acquired by IAC for around $500 million and now earns through business subscriptions and advertising. Third, TripAdvisor. Originally a travel review site, TripAdvisor has grown into a directory for all things related to travel, hotels, experiences, and activities. It earns money through ad sales and business listings, with annual revenue of over $1.6 billion. Lastly, ZocDoc. This is a niche business directory for medical professionals. It allows users to search for doctors, book appointments, and see reviews. ZocDoc raised over $200 million in venture capital and makes money through a mix of paid listings and appointment booking features. So how do you start your own business directory? It's easier than you might think, especially in today's digital age. Here's a step-by-step guide to building your own directory from scratch. The first step is to pick your niche. You want to target a specific industry or location. Start by asking yourself, what's a gap in the market? What industries are underrepresented? It could be anything from wedding vendors in your area to fitness coaches, or even something super niche like eco-friendly businesses. Niche directories tend to perform better in the long run because they have a highly targeted audience. Second, build your website. Now that you know your niche, it's time to build a website. Don't worry, you don't need to be a coding expert to make this happen. Platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace have easy-to-use tools that let you set up a directory quickly. Or, if you want something more specialized, look into services like Brilliant Directories or eDirectory, which are built specifically for creating business directories. Third, attract businesses. At first, you'll want to get as many businesses as you can on your platform. Start by offering free listings to early adopters. This will give you content and credibility. Once you have some businesses listed, you can start charging for premium listings, which offer more visibility and extra features like analytics, priority placement, and more. Next, drive traffic. You need to get visitors to your directory. This is where SEO, search engine optimization, and digital marketing come into play. You want to rank high on Google for keywords related to your niche. Invest in content marketing, social media promotion, and targeted ads to drive traffic. The more people use your platform, the more appealing it becomes to businesses looking for exposure. Monetize. Once your directory starts to gain traction, it's time to monetize it. There are several ways to make money. First, paid listings. Charge businesses for premium placement in the directory. Second, advertising. Sell ad space on your website. Third, subscriptions. Offer subscription models where businesses pay monthly or annually for featured listings and extra services. Fourth, affiliate marketing. If your directory has a lot of traffic, you can promote relevant products or services as an affiliate. Scale and grow. As your directory gains momentum, keep looking out for ways to expand. You can add new categories, introduce new features, or even branch out into new geographic areas. The goal is to keep growing your user base and adding value to your businesses and customers. Alright, so there you have it. The business directory model is a proven way to earn serious money online. And with the right strategy, you can scale it to generate thousands, even millions of dollars annually. Whether you want to build a directory for local services or something more niche, the potential is huge. Remember, the key to success here is to find a profitable niche, driving traffic and offering businesses real value. So if you're ready to build your own directory, get started today and watch it grow over time. If you're interested in learning more about online business models like this, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling me what kind of directory you will want to build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we break down even more ways to make money online.